Hi, Shayla at WTI, and I want to share this beautiful 18-piece set of dishes with you.
This is the Corelle Vitrelle 18-piece dinnerware set for 6 in the classic style indigo speckle.
I love that this set is 18 pieces, but it doesn't come with a bunch of stuff you don't need. It just comes with the dinner plate, the salad plate, and the bowl. And that's really all my family uses. I love these bowls because they're not too big, not too small. Well, it's a great size for cereal, ice cream, whatever you choose to use it for, even soups. And it's nice and lightweight, so it's not too heavy, but they are chip resistant, which is great.
Again, these bowls are the perfect size. They're not too big, not too small. They're a great 18-ounce soup bowl, and they're also wonderful for ice cream, but mainly just cereal at my house.
And I do love, like I said, there's 2 different sizes of plates. So you have your dinner plate, you have your salad plate. So whatever portion size, whatever size you need, but there's 6 of each piece. So it's perfect for a bigger family, a smaller family. Just overall, it's a wonderful set.
Once again, Corelle is giving us their timeless classic beauty. We have come to know and love that they are low maintenance, they are nice and light, but they are very strong, they are microwave safe, and most importantly, they are dishwasher safe.
So if you're like me and you love a good, beautiful, simple set of dishes that is very functional, you will love this Corelle 18-piece set, and that is my point of view.